charging management and exemplary aerodynamics. With a CD value from 0.22, is 360 mm on the front axle and 358 mm on the rear axle. 4 piston brakes are used on the rear axle. The brake calipers of the brake system are painted red. The Porsche Taycan 4S can be ordered now and will arrive in European dealerships in January 2020. Prices in Germany start at €105,607, including VAT and country-specific equipment.